Hello guys, welcome back again with Super Easy Drawings YouTube channel. Now I will draw and color Bluey riding a swan. Do you like drawing? Let's draw with me. First, let's draw the swan. I draw his beak. Then I draw his eyes. Nice guys, we have succeeded in making the swan's head. Now, let's start drawing Bluey's head. Guys, don't forget help me to get 1 billion subscribe. So please subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much. Now I will draw his eyes. And I draw Bluey nose. Wow! You see, Bluey have the beautiful eyes. And I draw his mouth. Now let's draw his hands. And let's draw his legs. And now let's draw Bluey tail. We have finished drawing Bluey. Okay, now let's continue drawing the swan. I draw his wings. Then his legs. Then here, we made the grass. Okay. We have succeeded in drawing Bluey riding a swan. Now let's color it. I gave yellow color for the body of the swan. Do you like the picture I made? Thank you so much. Please subscribe and like this video. I gave orange for the swan's beak. Then red for the legs and wings. Now let's coloring Bluey. I colored nose Bluey with red color. An orange color for his body. And for Bluey's tail, I also gave it orange color. For his hands I gave him green. Look at the combination of orange and green, so very interesting. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Don't forget subscribe and like this video. See you in the next time.